Alright guys, so today I'm back at the car wash. Gonna be cleaning all of the stuff that I bought yesterday. All the quarter panels and the trunk mats. All this will be done and ready to be put up. So, see how it goes. Ow, ow. It's in there. Content pops, different angles, different. You don't just bang a girl for 5 minutes in one position, pops. You don't?
Shout out to our sponsor, Chemical Guys. Kinda not our sponsor.
We gonna get real clean.
Put your cell phone, let me get your cell phone. Really, I'm just asking to write you. Reply me back right, then I might go the distance. I know you may not want me a missus, but I'm not tripping, I'm not rushing for decisions. Wait, now she naked. I ain't tripping if she giving, I'ma take it. Now she wanna go and that's my information, but I'm with it, so we pull off in the space. She like to eat it up. Cause the way I beat it up. I don't wanna say it, but I think I really want you. You think that I'm playing just to get what I want, but I could be the one that you come home to.
What's in here? Just regular degreaser?
Oh, beat it up. Yeah, she like the way I eat it up. Beat it up. Yeah, she like the way I eat it up. Yeah, she like the way I speed it up. Now baby, keep it up. Damn, I confess, yeah, you're leading us a couple steps closer to a mess. I repeat a couple lines that you love to the next, but I like the way you wide and you dry like a Tesla. Got a thing for women that are dry till they wet. She ain't biting when they tell her slide to the left. Yeah, you playing at the fence, quote unquote. I'll be but I see you when you with me. You a real hobby.
Everything clean. Couldn't get a few things off. Unlucky penny. Ugh. I think it's gum. Alright, so everything is clean. The door panels, the carpet. Here's another one. Actually, not a door panel, but the rear quarter panel. Just gonna leave that out in the sun. And now it's time to wash my car.
She said, welcome to LA, yeah. Can I come to where you stay, yeah? I made the drive down from the Bay, yeah. To kick it for you, hit the play, yeah. And as a shawty, won't you come on over? You can hit the drink if you sober. And round up all your girls for the crew, yeah. You rapping for the West, what it do, yeah. Out for the biz and no, I ain't alone.
Now after 2 hours of my friends watching me sweat, I got it done. Ugh.
And no content.
Yeah, done. I need to buy a white clip that goes in here to make this flush, like this one. So that one's flush, this one has a little gap. It's all scratched up, but it'll do. Gonna take out the seats next and add black seats, or just delete and have a red carpet.
How do you like it, compa?
I think I'm gonna make, like, if I ever get like fans and stuff, I'm gonna call them the compas. Yeah, like and subscribe to become a compa. Like and subscribe if you're a compa. So next project is gonna be the intake, and that's it. Bye. Alright, so as I was editing this video, I realized that I didn't have an intro clip, I guess, or whatever you guys call it, or whatever it's called. I didn't really have anything planned for the day. Just went to go meet up with some friends, Fresh Homie and Adam, and we went to Peter Piper. Chris was getting his rims added onto his tires, and we did a little swap, and that was it pretty much. And I totally forgot that I wanted to get footage for my go-kart. I do have a go-kart as well. It's a Candy Spider. Don't really use it anymore, so trying to get rid of it. But other than that, that's it. There was nothing crazy. Mostly this video is for Chris. Or like for him to post, like for him to have, but I'm gonna post it on the channel as well. So content's content, Pops. You wearing your gloves just to stand around or what? Official?
Yeah, you.
The supervisor? All these are K-series parts. So today I woke up feeling generous, guys. Decided to gift my compa Chris some wheels and tires. Sheesh. So you want to go one pinky up?
See, like, how do you?
You're gonna let me one of these for a spare?
Yeah.
You need spares?
Is
What?
it supposed to be up here?
Yeah, like that's totally unsafe what he did. Cause these are supposed to lock.
Yeah, that keeps it from moving.
Yeah. The lock. The perk.
all the way in the
I don't know what they're fucking called.
It's supposed to
That.
be.
Yeah, lock.
It's supposed to be right under it.
But it was all the way to the bottom.
It's supposed to be right under.
This is just to see where we're at or what we need to do.
These items. SI, RIP.
No, we don't have to. I didn't have to do that, huh? Yeah. Huh?
You already did that, right?
Yeah, I did this one.
Just scrap it, Pops.
Pop the hood. No face, huh? Pop the hood, Pop.
And I found money. Sheesh.
Pop the hood.
Your money.
Pop the hood.
I'm paying you $1 to see underneath your hood.
Sheesh.
It's all stock.
And it runs, Pops.
Start it up then. Yeah, it runs, huh?
It ran, Pops. No, the battery's good.
I don't know, Pops.
Brand new side mirror.
Where? In the junkyard find? Where's the side mirror at?
Brand new side mirror, Pops.
Shoo!